Welcome to Animal Kingdom Series, Episode 4. In the forests of Australia, there lives a bird with a talent so unbelievable. Many thought the early recordings were fake, a creature that can copy almost any sound it hears, perfectly. This is the lyrebird, nature's master mimic. It can imitate the calls of over 20 different bird species. But that's just the beginning. Researchers have heard lyrebirds recreate chainsaws, camera shutters, car alarms, dog barks, and even human laughter. And it doesn't just mimic the sound. It copies emotion, pitch, rhythm, and timing, down to the smallest detail. Why does it do this? To impress mates. The lyrebird turns the forest into a stage, blending every sound it has ever heard into one unforgettable performance. This is Jey Maestro, and you're watching Animal Kingdom, where the wild reminds us that nature is the greatest artist of all. Follow for Episode 5, The Animal You Know, with Secrets You Don't.